What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be replacing my side marker lights. They're the laser lights I was talking about like 2 videos ago, but yeah, I'm going for like a black theme, so I think they'll be a really good addition. So let's get into it. So this is what they look like right now. They're just the basic red ones, not very bright, not very interesting. So I think the black ones look a lot better on this. Alright, to get to the side lights, we have to take these off, so I'm going to do that real quick, and then we're going to be able to reach my hand around and get to that light. Okay, now we're in the car. To get these 2 screws off, you just use an 11mm socket. You just take them right off, so we'll do that real quick. Okay, definitely not the easiest thing to do, but we got it off. This part actually snapped off, but I mean, it's fine because we don't need it. But yeah, it's off. And now we're just gonna take this bulb off, put the new one back in, and we'll be good to go. So that comes right out. And then this should just slide right in. Okay, so now that's in, I'm gonna make sure it works before I put everything back together. Alright, and it works. Looks great. So let's start putting that back together. Okay, so with the side lights, they're not like fixed in to like fit this. They more just go on and make like a groove as they go. But since this one broke off, it actually came stuck with it, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that off. I just got the other one off. This one came off much easier and much smoother. Nothing broke on it. I couldn't get the plastic off the first one I did, so I'm gonna have to figure that out later. But for now, we're just gonna put this one back on, and yeah, we'll see how it looks. Just finished putting this one in. Got it all screwed in. You do want to make sure they're always working before you put it back together, just to avoid having to take it off and do it all over again, but it works. I'm going to take the plastic off when I'm done with the other side, but yep, looking good. Okay, so I did end up getting this off. All I did was just cut it and then push it right through, and it came right off. So now we can continue to putting the other side light on. The thing I did not mention is, before you put this on, just clean it right off, just so it's, you know, cleaned up, looking nice. Alright, so both of the side lights are on. Now Now all we have to do is put the taillights back on and we'll be good to go. Alright, so the taillights are back on. We can finally unpeel this satisfying plastic. Alright, so there they are. Looking so much better. I will get some videos at nighttime so you guys can see it better. You can see what it looks like at night.